Right, for this tutorial I'm going to look at the median and the semi-interquartile range. So I've taken this from a past paper. The number of calls received by the police were recorded over 10 days. The results are shown below. And we can see all these results. Find the semi-interquartile range of this data. Now, we're lucky here in that it's already been written in numerical order. If it is not written in numerical order, you have to be sure to swap it round first. Here it's already numerical order, so we're going to start by finding the median before we can find the semi-interquartile range. So the median is the number halfway between. So we're just working our way in to find the number that lies directly in the middle. Right, since both of these lie directly in the middle, then our median is going to be halfway between these two numbers. One way of finding a number that's halfway between, well, there's quite a few ways. We can go that there's 15 between the two of these. The distance between 247 and 232 is 15. Half of that is 7.5, so the median is going to be 232 plus 7.5, which is 239.5. So you can't quite see that, 239.5. Another way you can do that is you can add the two numbers together, 232 plus 247, and then divide them by 2. You've got 239.5. So two different ways to find the median. For this question, you didn't actually need to find it. You just knew that it was going to be in between here. But I just want to show you that we are then, to find the quartiles, we put a box around the two sides of the data, but do not include the median. So if the median is up here, just make sure you not include it. Even if the median is one of the numbers here, don't include it in these boxes. So we've got this one here and this one here. So to find our quartiles, we then find the median of each box here. So for here, that one here is our quartile, and here in the middle, 250. So quartile 1, this first one is 218. This one here, quartile 3, because the median is quartile 2, quartile 3 is 250. And you just need to know that the semi-interquartile range, this is one of the formulae you need to know for the exam, is quartile 3 minus quartile 1 divided by 2. So 250 minus 218 divided by 2. And so your semi-interquartile range there is 16. And that's you. Let's look at another one. So this is from the 2015 National 5 past paper. I'm just going to do one more example. 10 couples took part in a dance competition. The couples were given a score in each round. The scores in the first round were as follows. Calculate the median and the semi-interquartile range of these scores. So first of all, I'm just going to write these out. As you can see, they're not in order. I'm going to write them out in order first. So we've got 12, 17, 16 first, 16, 17, 18. It's good to score them off as you write them down. 18, 21, 22, 26, 27, and 27. And just when if you've had to rewrite them out, just count and make sure you've got the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we've not missed any out. So we know it's an even number, so we know that there's going to be two numbers in the middle. So we're moving our way in to find the median. And so right here is our two middle numbers, so our median lies halfway between these two. You can see that the distance between 18 and the difference between 18 and 21 is 3. Half of that is 1.5, so 18 plus 1.5, the median there is 19.5. So that was the first thing we had to find. So I'm going to write down the median is 19.5. Next thing we're asked to find in the question is the semi-interquartile range. So as before, you draw a box around your two halves of the data, not including the median. And so we've got the median here of that box is 17 and 27, and those are your two quartiles. So that's quartile 1 and that's quartile 3. And your semi-interquartile range is quartile 3 minus quartile 1, Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. So 26 minus 17 divided by 2. 9 divided by 2, which is 4.5. And that's you, ready to do median and semi-interquartile range. Now, just looking at part B for this, it says in the second round, the median was 26 and the semi-interquartile range was 2.5. Make two valid comparisons. So if you watch my standard deviation tutorial, I've mentioned that I'm going to show you how to make these comparisons in one more separate tutorial. So I'm going to use the data that we found for this one, and I'm going to do part B in the making two valid comparisons tutorial.